Good morning everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. I had met some wonderful subscribers a couple days ago.
I looked you on YouTube and
how
she
are y'all
said,
doing?
Oh my God.
And Seth.
Yes.
There's Seth in there, yay!
There's Moo-moo. So where are y'all headed to?
Oh, you are so cute.
We were headed down where you were
We'll
at.
be back in a couple hours. We just have to go into town and we can meet then. It's really nice to meet
You too.
y'all.
I hardly ever say anything on YouTube because I'm on the phone.
That's
I'm watching it on my TV.
Right.
So.
Well, it's really nice to meet y'all.
I'm so excited to meet you.
So we'll see you in a couple hours
Okay,
then?
is Dana there with the kids?
Dana's at the campsite and a bunch of them. So.
All right.
I love your outfits. Y'all be careful going across that road now.
Is that road bad?
No, I'm talking about this road,
yeah.
all the traffic and stuff.
Yeah,
Is
I've
that road
seen you.
bad?
It's just it's just a dirt road. It's not bad.
Okay, I
seen you coming down. I go, there she is. There she is.
Oh my God! I hope she stopped.
I did. I guess I should stop. So. Well, it's good seeing y'all.
Okay.
Nice meeting you. So we'll see you in a couple hours.
Bye,
All right.
Have fun.
All right. Bye. Bye, baby.
I didn't do too much filming the last 2 days because it was rainy and wet, so that was unfortunate. We did still get together and have some food yesterday, and also a little dance party when the rain stopped. I'm not sure what I want to get into today, so let's find out. Today is just a chill day. Not much going on since it was raining yesterday, so people are just in small groups talking and chatting. It's a nice day for that, definitely. But since we're doing that, me and the girls are going to go into town and have lunch since there's not much going on here. And there's no planned events that I know of. There might be later tonight. They might have a gathering with like a drum circle. But alright, let's go into town.
Who are you talking to? Just kidding. Hi.
Them. I'm talking to you two.
Hi.
All the lovely, wonderful people out there.
It's a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day, so we're just gonna follow Danny in. So actually, if you didn't know, tomorrow is her birthday. Yeah,
I think that's tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. So we thought we would just go have something a little personal today, and then tomorrow we'll celebrate with everybody. That's why we're going into town. So happy birthday, girl.
Thank you.
Love you.
I love you too.
I had to stop because right there were a bunch of people that actually came in tents and did this event in tents, which is pretty cool. So there's like a little tent community right there. Okay, let's go.
It's pretty cute, that little trailer. You should get that online. It's so cute. Did you see
What
that?
trailer?
It's like, I don't know if they sleep in it or it's like
just like
small.
Oh yeah,
It's like mixed, but this small.
Oh,
it's like you could
kind of like
one person sleep in it.
Yeah, just kind of like a sleeper.
I don't.
Because you couldn't do much else in it.
Could be is a storage, but I don't know. It
Oh yeah.
looked like they had it covered, like
Right.
they had a tent tarp covering it.
Oh, cool. We parked right there. There's the Buena Vista Library, the fire department, but we are going to this brewery and pub. They have, what is it,
Fire burn pizzas.
Right. I was going to say fire pizzas.
Fire burnt pizzas. With fire pizza.
It was.
Pizza, you know. Pizza.
It was funny. So we're here. This is Eddie Line Brewery Tasting Room. Wood-fired pizzas. Open. Oh, cool. Look at all the stickers. Danny, I see her. She's way down there.
It's alright.
I'm surprised you didn't go in and pick a place already.
We were just waiting. We saw you, so.
There's a nice breeze right here too.
Yeah.
This is cool. The deck looks hot. Oh yeah. The sun.
Awesome. Ooh, cool. This looks nice. Yeah. Ooh, look at that painting. That's awesome. Matt. There's a bar. Oh. I was like, what, are we supposed to eat by the bathrooms? Oh, outside. Oh, this is nice. Oh, yeah, I like that. Okay.
Whichever. There's a table.
Yeah, this is nice.
There's a table over there, or there's a bar here.
Okay. You want to sit at the bar? It seems cozy at the bar. Look how big these benches are. You look like a little kid sitting there.
I don't hoist myself up. I had to get my pogo stick out and hop up.
Oh my God. You can barely reach the ground.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh my God.
Thank
this
you.
is crazy.
Alright, so we're just waiting for Danny to get everything up. There she is. And then we're gonna look at the menu and order some food.
From up there, all I saw was this.
What?
I thought it was gonna be hot and sunny and it was looking nicer. What do you look at me? I'm
No,
dirty.
look. No, you can't reach the ground. It's like a little kid.
Isn't that funny? That's why they have the parking.
I know.
It is bubbly.
I don't like hot beers like this.
Okay, yeah, no, it won't be.
Bubbly beer.
I need beer. No, that's just a, yeah, I don't know.
Can I just get a lemon water for right now?
Lemon, yes.
Okay. I think I'm gonna do the salad. What are y'all getting? A pizza?
I'm starving. I haven't had breakfast yet. I haven't even had anything. What time is it?
I had my green juice. I didn't even do my lemon water. I ran out of lemons. I just did
That's
green
why
juice.
my head's starting to hurt. I haven't had
So you just had lemon juice?
No green juice. I ran out of lemons. So
That was
I
a
just,
good green juice.
isn't it? But if you
Oh,
can,
the guy today.
oh my God, what's my hair?
It looks. I think it looks awesome.
No, it
Yeah,
was
it
it was
does.
sticking
Like
straight
mine.
up.
Oh, I love it. It's real.
Welcome to my world. So the guy today, he got so emotional when I said I knew Panda.
Oh, the Chinook guy?
Yeah, he really literally choked up. And I said, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to upset you. And he said, no, it's just that I watched your videos. I'm so sorry. And he stopped talking and then he had to recompose himself. He said, she really inspired me to get out.
Did you get to meet her?
Yeah, I met him.
Yeah, I said, you want me to introduce you? And he said, no, I've already said hello to her and I don't want to intrude on privacy. But he's really sweet. You're my friend.
Margarita?
Thank you.
Margarita, that looks good.
It's got the balsamic glaze on
I
it.
think that's it. Thank you. You got the pepperoni mushrooms.
With Alfredo sauce.
Ooh, and I got the chicken Alfredo. Yummy.
It's nice and soggy. Oh, that's thick. I like it.
We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, beside me laying under palm trees.
Hello.
Come on, Moo-moo. Thanks for babysitting, kids.
Bye, Moo-moo.
All right, bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Come on, Moo-moo. Someone wants to meet you. Moo-moo. There she
She
is.
is smaller in person.
Yeah, everybody says that. No, that's not for you. She's like, is that, go.
Hey, Moo-moo, can I pick her up?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, Moo-moo. Oh my goodness, look at you.
Good girl.
Baby. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, a lot of people think she's a lot bigger than she is, but she's not.
Look at you.
Yes. She's like, what did you have for lunch? I'm hungry.
Oh, she is so cute.
She
She is a whole lot smaller than I thought.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know why everybody thinks she's so big.
I don't know. Maybe it's just the angles or something.
It could be,
I don't know.
probably.
I am so glad to meet you. I really am.
It was really nice to meet you, too.
I'm acting like it's like a movie star thing. Oh man, look at her. She is so cute.
She is.
Yes. And she's such a good dog. How
She's
do you
just
get such a
relaxed.
good dog?
No, it's just her personality. She's just very relaxed.
looked out.
I did.
You
I
looked
totally
out.
agree. I did.
Because I watched the video when you picked her up,
Uh-huh.
and I was saying, oh, she's so cute.
Back in Oceanside, California.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And ever since then, I said, dang, she is cute.
She was shyer back then, too. She's still a little
coming
shy.
Out of her
Yeah.
little shell. But, oh man, look at you, the famous Moo-moo who doesn't really care.
She's like,
Said, no food, no treats. I don't care. She's so cute. Okay, big girl.
all right.
Thank you so much.
No problem. It was really nice meeting you. I'm sure we'll see you later.
Oh, yeah. Can I get your autograph? Can I get your autograph?
You're being silly. Tomorrow's the last day of the TCF, so I'm going to go ahead and pack up all my stuff here. I got quite a bit to pack up, and also my ladder. I'm probably going to spend the night in Buena Vista tonight. I'm going to hang out here with everybody, but when everybody retires into their RVs and tents and stuff, I'm going to actually go to Buena Vista so I can get some internet, because I've just not had any internet to work with. So hopefully I can get something uploaded to y'all. Mick and Colleen made it back. Everybody's joining together because I believe they're going to have some food and then maybe a little music afterwards. Oh, it smells good in here. Hey, girl. Ooh, that smells good. So a guy had given you all this meat, right? Geo supplied all the meat. That's awesome. So people are confused about how the food works. Well, not everybody, just some people. So as far as cooking goes, you know, some people just pitch in, some people take turns at it. I've cooked and baked pastas before. We don't really worry about it. People just pitch in here and there. We don't expect anything. You know, if you can pitch in, pitch in. If you can't, that's fine too. But everybody gets to eat, and we just have a fun time. That's just how it is. So, there are people who donate food. Like yesterday, we had, what was it, Sloppy Joe's?
Yeah, Sloppy Joe's.
Right, and then there were just certain people who bought this and that. Sometimes he's nice and he supplies the stuff. I actually bought the meatless for the vegetarians. Ooh, that smells so good.
Right there. We got more.
Oh, you got more? That's what I bought yesterday for the...
Yep.
And they liked it, didn't they?
Yes. And tonight we have this.
What is that?
That is... That's this in a patty.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Actually, Morning Star is what it is.
Right, I've had that before. It's really good. So you're keeping it separated, because I know some people don't like to do that.
Yeah, I cook the meat here, down here, the vegetarian up here, because my table's crooked and it goes this way.
Oh, I see. This is where we had the dance party last night. It was pretty fun. A bunch of people came here. I'm not sure if they're doing a dance party. Usually they have music over there. That's probably what I think they're going to do tonight, but I'm unsure about that. People move out and some people move in, but yeah, it's cleared out a little bit. It's not as busy as it was, but there's still several people here. This is such a beautiful spot. I'm definitely going to miss it. But I am kind of ready to get back on the road. Danny Ray took her hammock. This is Randy's hammock. I'm definitely getting me one of these because this was my favorite part, is laying in the hammock and relaxing. Dinner! It's ready? Already? This is where Kevin parked. Oh, there's Kevin. Hey!
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you doing? You know they're done with the food, right?
Done with it?
Yeah, it's ready.
Oh, it's ready?
Yeah.
I'm done.
Yeah. I'll see you over there.
Okay, thank you.
So another reason why I'm going into Buena Vista is because tomorrow, like I said, was Dana's birthday, and we're going to head into the park and have a picnic for her, just the tribe members and stuff. And yeah, so I want to be in town already so I can go ahead and get supplies for the picnic. I'm going to make meatloaf.
Come back here to the Lost and Found tunnel.
Hello, people.
Dana has a blanket.
There's beard in my screen there.
What's up, lady?
That wind is kicking in. Feels nice.
Good.
Rain. Oh, sorry. Was I not supposed to say it? Just spell it. Hey, Nugget. That's Kevin's dog, Nugget.
Are those the B-E-A-N-E-S?
Yeah.
Yes, beans and brownies.
And go on.
Beans and brownies.
What kind of brownies?
Beans and brownies. It's a weird combination.
She made them in the oven.
Those look good. Oh, beans and brownies? That's a weird combination.
Well, you got the oven and you got the stove. So
okay.
There are no rules for composting.
Right, exactly.
Right in there like that.
Wind is picking up. I need my jacket.
Your cat flipped over.
It did. Thank you. I'll go get it. Did y'all lose a frisbee up here?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. There it is. I'll knock it down for you. Hold on a second.
Okay.
I knocked it down. Hold on.
Then.
Okay, I got it now. Here you go.
Alright, thanks.
You're welcome. Y'all have fun.
Alright.
I got it.
You guys can have this.
Well, I can definitely say I ate good today. I got half a burger, half a pork chop, and some mashed potatoes. I'm still a little full from earlier, so. And everybody just enjoying each other's company, so. Alright, I'm going to stop recording. So there's thunder in the distance. I'm not sure if you can hear that. So we might not be having anything going on because the rain clouds are coming in. See how dark that is? So I definitely don't want this stuff to get wet. I need to put it up now.
But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my fun land. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Alright everybody, well the rain has come, it's raining down heavy, so I don't believe we'll be doing anything else. I'm going to go ahead and head into Buena Vista probably here in an hour. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today, and hopefully we'll see you in the in the next video. Bye for now. Mwah, I'm getting soaked. Love y'all.